This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in northwest suburban Deer Park, just across the street from the shops, restaurants, and theaters at the Deer Park Town Center. I'm in the clubhouse at the new Deer Park Crossing, which has a party room lounge adjacent to an outdoor pool and a grilling area, a comfortably furnished media room with a large screen TV, and a fitness center with a variety of cardio and strength training equipment. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments. I'm in a Glenhurst layout, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a den. Looking at the entry foyer, where you have closets flanking the entry, and a niche shelf that would be great for displaying a piece of sculpture or just dropping your keys. Guest bath is off to the left. There's a wide vanity with 2 banks of drawers for storage and a wide mirror. And there's a deep soaking tub. The second bedroom is just past the guest bath. Turning around to where the magic begins in this apartment, just a huge living dining kitchen area. Kitchen has a fabulous amount of cabinet and counter space. 42-inch uppers. There are both gray and white quartz counters. Pendant and track lighting. This pantry cabinet for yet more storage. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. It's a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave, a deep, wide farm-style sink. The faucet has a spray attachment. And just keep marveling at the size of this room. Very unusual. Windows on 2 sides, including a window in the kitchen. And the apartment opens to a balcony that wraps around 2 sides. Looks out over a pond. Going to be a great hangout space in the summertime. Or just spillover from the great parties that you can throw in this room. Getting back toward the den and the master bedroom, you have a full-size, side-by-side, front-loading washer-dryer and a utility closet. A den that can really function as a den or a family room almost. Could be a playroom, could be a great home office. Then walking into a master suite that has a large sleeping area, can accommodate any size bedding, additional furniture. There's a long walk-in closet. Then the master bath is oversized, has a wide vanity with 2 bowls, gray quartz counter, undermount sinks, very wide mirror. It's an oversized walk-in shower. And you have a linen closet in the bath. Overall, there's terrific storage space and just an awful lot of living space in this apartment. Usually lives like a single-family home almost with a split-bedroom layout. Deer Park Crossing has a very convenient location just across the street from the Deer Park Town Center and all the shops, restaurants there. Whole Foods not far away. Great amenities here, including an outdoor pool, nicely equipped fitness center. Everything is new here and very stylish. You definitely want to put Deer Park Crossing on your must-see list. Head to the Deer Park Crossing website for near real-time rent and availability info.